Welcome back, guys. It's your boy Cat Loco, and we're back at the junkyard. I was actually out here pulling those G6 seats, but before I go, I want to come take a look at the truck section. I saw this 2000 Yukon XL 1500 came in. I was trying to see if this thing had a 6.0 in it. One of those Me Too motors. But as soon as I walked up on it, I already knew it probably didn't. One, because the engine was still there. I think this came in like a day or two ago. I kind of dig the older style valve covers, but just in case, I went ahead and checked it, and you can see A62 heads. This is 5.3 with the old Vortec engine cover. I kind of like it. Drawback cable. I was really hoping that was a 6, but I already know in this yard it'd be gone. And next to it we got a 1500 with a 5.3. The same older engine cover. So this might be a 2000. Okay, it's a 99. Pioneer deck. And this one has I know you can see that. You got the 706 heads. So I was really coming to see what's over here. You got your Fords, Silverado with a 5.3, Z71. Yeah, Yukon XL, SLT edition with a 5.3, A62 heads. And then we got a couple on the other side down there. I was looking for another OBD2 connector, but that's not a big deal. I can use the one I got. I can grab that another weekend. So there's supposed to be some more and Road 98. This is 02 Chevy Silverado. Let's see what it has. Motor's still there. They're gonna make me climb up in it. Oh, let's see. 706 heads, 5.3, drive-by cable. Now what we want, but we do have like 411 PCMs for days. Someone stole the TPS, looks like. Oh, the IAC. There's supposed to be another one. Let me know if you see it. Got Express. Is this a Ford? Yeah, it's a Ford. This might be it. No, this is the older style. Yeah, it's a 99 Suburban. someone had probably had Edelbrock on that thing. I don't see it. Give me a sec. So there's supposed to be a 2007 Silverado, but I don't even see it in the row. So I don't know if someone got to it already. But this is the one I got the I think the PCM wires off. It's A62 heads, 5.3. And this one, I don't even know why they cut it. This one I took the harness off, trans is already gone. So they had 6 bolts. So they did it the hard way. They cut it for nothing really. It's just a 5.3. How you doing? That's really green. But yeah, I don't know what the 07 is. It's like Roadrunner green. That's the paint for you. Yeah, if that 07 is here, it's probably gone. But yeah, I found those Bonneville seats, I think in a 96 or 97. I think it's a 96 Bonneville. If you're looking for gray, charcoal gray Bonnie seats, look for like a silver gray 96, 97 Bonneville. I would get them, but they won't work for a 2-door, and that's all I got is 2 doors. Yeah, I don't know, guys. That 07 is not here. And all these motors down here, chop frames all over the place. Got one there, got one there. They don't chop the frames from the Fords. That was a 6.0 we missed. Yeah, there ain't nothing else down here. But anyway, guys, I was over here looking at the G6, and I just came over to the truck section because I had about 5 or 6 trucks I wanted to check out. Mainly that Yukon XL. Give it a shade for a minute. It didn't have the 6.0, it had the 5.3. We don't need any more 5.3s right now. But this is your boy Cat Loco. I'll put a card up above for the giveaway for the Steelman Pro Ratchets. Always remember to go ahead and like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.